In this video, we listed the 5 best CoreXY 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M is a state-of-the-art 3D printer designed for users seeking high efficiency and exceptional print quality. Boasting a fully automatic one-click leveling system, it eliminates the cumbersome task of manual Z-axis calibration, enabling perfect first layers with consistent adhesion and smooth finishes. Its CoreXY structure allows for impressive printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second with rapid acceleration of 20,000 mm², making it both fast and reliable. Features like quick change nozzles, filament detection, and power recovery ensure seamless operation, allowing users to go from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. This versatile printer supports multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, and offers various nozzle diameters for precision or efficiency. With a dual-sided PEI platform for easy part removal and meticulous vibration compensation to prevent ghosting, the Adventure 5M serves as an ideal choice for both novices and experts aiming for flawless 3D prints. Number 2. ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for an efficient and high-quality printing experience. Built with innovative inclined release technology, it minimizes release force while enhancing print speed and success rates. The printer features a 7-inch monochrome LCD screen with an impressive 9K resolution, 8520 by 4320, and an 18 by 18 micrometers XY resolution, allowing for exceptional detail and clarity in printed models. Monitoring the printing process is made easy with its AI smart camera, which helps detect and correct any errors in real time. Additionally, the MAZ 5 Ultra offers hands-free operation through its auto-leveling feature, eliminating the need for manual adjustments, and is equipped with an intelligent mechanical sensor that detects residue and warns of potential issues like insufficient resin or leveling failures. These advanced functionalities ensure a seamless and user-friendly 3D printing experience. Number 3. Sovol SV08 CoreXY Printer. The Sovol SV08 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for advanced users, featuring CoreXY kinematics that achieves maximum speeds of 700 mm per second and accelerations of up to 40,000 mm², paired with a generous print volume of 350 by 350 by 345 mm. Built on the open-source Voron 2.4 framework, it utilizes Orca Slicer for intelligent slicing optimizations and supports configurations for multiple printer brands. The printer excels in accuracy with its quad-gantry auto-leveling system, which utilizes for independent Z motors for precise adjustments, enhancing print reliability. The integration of Clipper firmware further boosts printing speed and reduces vibrations, while the rapid heating capabilities of its ceramic heating block and AC-powered heated bed allow it to reach temperatures quickly. Additionally, the SV08 features advanced cooling with dual fans to minimize filament warping during printing, and it employs all-axis linear rails for enhanced precision. With a built-in camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse recording, combined with remote control capabilities over LAN, the Sovol SV08 offers a comprehensive and convenient printing experience for creative projects. Number 4. QIDI 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X+3 is an innovative FDM 3D printer tailored for commercial use, featuring advanced Clipper firmware and a robust CoreXY structure that significantly enhances printing efficiency, achieving speeds of up to 600 mm per second and reducing print times by up to 80%. Designed to accommodate a wide array of materials, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, PA, PC, and composites like carbon and glass fiber, this printer boasts dual nozzles made of copper alloy and hardened steel, optimizing compatibility with high-performance filaments. The X+3 incorporates an independent chamber heating system that can reach 60 in just 25 minutes, alongside specialized filaments engineered for warp-free printing. With a newly developed hot-end cooling system and a lightweight print head, this printer is built for speed and precision, featuring advanced auto-leveling, pressure advance capabilities, and powered by a 64-bit processor for enhanced performance. Ideal for both professionals and beginners, the X+3 is user-friendly, assembly-free, and comes with comprehensive operating instructions to facilitate quick setup and operation. Number 5. QIDI Q1 Pro. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for efficiency and precision, featuring a lightweight CoreXY system and independent dual Z-axis motors, allowing for maximum speeds of up to 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm². It supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and carbon fiber, and is compatible with various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The printer boasts advanced features like full auto-calibration, smart filament detection, and an active heating chamber that maintains optimal temperatures to enhance print quality, particularly for warp-prone materials. With a user-friendly setup that enables users to begin printing within 10 minutes, it includes a 1080p HD camera for monitoring and remote control via a mobile app, and offers a clog-free direct extruder design. Additionally, it comes with an optional activated carbon air filter, ensuring a safer printing environment.